The home entryway is the first impression guests have when they step inside. It sets the tone for the entire house, offering a glimpse of your personal style while serving a functional purpose. A well-designed entryway balances aesthetic appeal, organization, and warmth, making it both beautiful and practical. From sleek modern setups to cozy farmhouse-inspired designs, there are countless ways to enhance your home entry. Whether you have a spacious foyer or a small entry nook, the right decor choices can transform the space into an inviting and stylish area. Let's explore some of the best home entry decor ideas, focusing on functionality, statement pieces, and effortless charm. A well-organized entryway makes daily routines smoother by offering smart storage solutions while maintaining a clean and polished look. The key is to create a space that is both welcoming and efficient. Start with a console table or wall-mounted shelf to serve as a landing spot for keys, wallets, and mail. If space allows, a bench with hidden storage can provide seating for putting on shoes while keeping clutter out of sight. Woven baskets or decorative bins underneath the bench help store shoes, bags, or seasonal accessories. For smaller entryways, consider a wall-mounted coat rack or hooks to keep outerwear organized without taking up floor space. A floating shelf with small decorative storage trays can also serve as a drop zone for everyday essentials. Mirrors are a must-have in any entryway. A large statement mirror or a collection of smaller mirrors not only enhances the decor but also makes the space feel larger and brighter by reflecting natural light. By combining style and functionality, a well-organized entryway remains clutter-free and inviting, making it a practical yet beautiful part of your home. Enjoying these beautiful home entry decor ideas? Give this video a like and share it with friends looking to elevate their entryway. If you want your entryway to make a lasting impression, statement decor pieces can add personality and visual impact. The right combination of bold design elements transforms a simple entry into an eye-catching focal point. Start with a dramatic console table or entryway cabinet in a unique finish. Rich wood, matte black, or even metallic accents work beautifully. Layering decorative elements, like oversized vases, sculptural pieces, or a striking table lamp, helps create a curated, designer look. A gallery wall with framed artwork or a large statement painting above the console table brings personality into the space. For a more modern touch, a large, abstract mirror can serve as both a statement piece and a functional element. Rugs are another powerful design tool in entryways. A vintage runner, a bold geometric pattern, or a natural fiber rug anchors the space while adding warmth and texture. Lighting is essential for creating ambience. A chandelier, pendant light, or wall sconces elevate the aesthetic, making the entryway feel more luxurious and inviting. By incorporating bold statement pieces, dramatic lighting, and well-chosen textures, the entryway becomes more than just a pass-through space. It turns into a memorable and stylish introduction to your home. Which entryway decor style is your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas. If you prefer a warm and welcoming atmosphere, a cozy entryway design makes your home feel inviting the moment someone walks in. The key is to incorporate soft textures, warm colors, and personal touches that create a lived-in yet stylish look. A wooden console table with a distressed or natural finish sets a warm tone. Layering decor elements like ceramic vases, woven baskets, and framed family photos adds charm and personality. Soft textiles, such as a plush runner or a cozy throw draped over a bench, enhance the warmth of the space. Greenery is an easy way to make the entryway feel fresh and inviting. A large potted plant, a hanging planter, or a collection of small succulents on the console table brings in natural beauty and a sense of tranquility. Soft lighting, such as table lamps with warm-toned bulbs or wall-mounted sconces, helps create an inviting glow, making the space feel cozy in the evening. For a final touch, consider adding a seasonal element, whether it's a bowl of pine cones in the winter, fresh flowers in the spring, or a decorative lantern for fall. Small changes throughout the year keep the entryway feeling fresh and welcoming. Want more home decor inspiration? Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. For those who appreciate a sleek and uncluttered look, a modern and minimalist entryway focuses on clean lines, neutral colors, and intentional decor choices. The beauty of minimalism is that it creates a sense of calm and sophistication while keeping the space highly functional. A simple, streamlined console table in black, white, or natural wood tones serves as a focal point. Avoid overcrowding the surface, opt for one or two carefully chosen decor items, such as a sculptural vase, a single framed print, or a sleek table lamp. A monochrome color palette enhances the modern aesthetic. Soft contrasts, such as black and white decor elements, or a mix of wood and metal, create visual interest without overwhelming the space. For storage, use built-in cabinets or hidden drawers to keep things tidy. Floating shelves or wall-mounted organizers help maximize space without compromising the clean aesthetic. Large, frameless mirrors or geometric wall art work well in minimalist entryways, adding dimension without unnecessary clutter. Lighting should be understated yet elegant, such as recessed lighting, a simple pendant light, or a sculptural wall sconce. A modern and minimalist entryway feels effortless and sophisticated, creating a refined introduction to the rest of your home. Looking for more home styling tips? Check out our home decor playlist for endless inspiration. The entryway is more than just an entrance, it's the transition between the outside world and your home. A well-designed entryway sets the tone, making a statement while remaining functional and welcoming. An organized entryway ensures that everything has its place, reducing clutter and creating a stress-free environment. A combination of storage solutions, practical furniture, and subtle decorative touches enhances both form and function. Statement pieces in an entryway bring personality and style. Whether it's a bold console table, oversized mirror, or striking light fixture, the right elements create an unforgettable first impression. A cozy entryway design embraces warm textures, natural materials, and soft lighting, making the home feel inviting from the moment you step inside. Personal touches like family photos, greenery, and seasonal decor add a lived-in charm that makes the space feel personal. For those who prefer a sleek, modern aesthetic, minimalist entryways focus on clean lines, neutral tones, and intentional decor choices. Every element serves a purpose, creating a sense of calm and elegance. Lighting plays a crucial role in entryway design. Whether it's a chandelier, wall sconces, or a stylish table lamp, the right lighting enhances the mood and brings depth to the space. Mirrors serve both a functional and decorative purpose, making the entryway feel larger and brighter while adding a stylish touch. A well-placed mirror reflects light, enhancing the overall ambience. Greenery breathes life into an entryway, adding freshness and color. Whether it's a large potted plant, a row of small succulents, or a vase with fresh flowers, nature-inspired decor makes the space feel more vibrant. The right flooring choice makes a difference as well. Durable yet stylish materials, such as hardwood, tile, or patterned rugs, help define the space and complement the decor. Storage solutions in an entryway should be both practical and stylish. Built-in cabinets, floating shelves, and decorative hooks keep the area tidy while adding character. A beautiful woven basket tucked under a console table is an elegant way to store shoes, scarves, or other essentials. Color schemes play a big role in setting the atmosphere of an entryway. Neutral tones create a timeless and sophisticated look, while bold colors add energy and personality. A well-chosen accent wall or wallpaper can completely transform the space. Textures add depth and interest. A combination of wood, metal, glass, or woven materials brings balance to the design, creating an entryway that feels layered and curated. Seasonal decor is another way to refresh an entryway throughout the year. Simple changes like wreaths, holiday-themed accents, or fresh flowers can bring a new feel to the space each season without requiring a full redesign. Seating options in an entryway don't just provide function, they add style and comfort. A small upholstered bench, a sleek stool, or even a vintage-inspired chair enhances the aesthetic while offering a place to sit. Wall art and personal touches make an entryway feel more like home. A gallery wall of framed prints, meaningful quotes, or even a large statement painting can reflect your personality and taste. Minimalist entryways thrive on simplicity, proving that less can be more when it comes to creating a stylish, clutter-free space. A few well-placed pieces make a greater impact than an overcrowded design. For those with small entryways, using vertical space efficiently can make a big difference. Floating shelves, wall-mounted organizers, and compact furniture maximize function without overwhelming the space. Entryway furniture should be both durable and stylish. Pieces that can withstand daily use while maintaining their elegance contribute to a long-lasting and well-maintained design. Texture contrast creates a rich, designer look. A smooth marble tabletop against a textured woven basket, or a sleek black mirror paired with warm wooden elements, brings an elegant balance to the decor. Natural light enhances any entryway, making the space feel open and airy.